Hi everyone, let's talk about how to fix hotels.com credit card not accepted. So to quickly bypass a credit card decline on the hotels.com mobile app or website, you can start by contacting your credit card issuer to ensure your card is 3DS compliant and that overseas or foreign transaction blocks are temporarily disabled. Now the next what you can do is verify the card details and billing address. Mobile typos are common. Make sure that your name, CVV and billing address perfectly match your bank's record. Now the next what you can do is switch to desktop or mobile browser. Sometimes mobile apps or in-app browser have cached error or glitchy payment gateways. So to fix it, close the hotels.com app and log in via a mobile browser or switch to a laptop. Now you can also use an alternative payment or platform. If the pay now option continually fails, the payment gateway may be experiencing issues with your specific card type. Just try selecting pay at the property so the hotel charges you directly. Alternatively, use an e-wallet like PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. Now, if the bank confirms they aren't even seeing the attempted charge, reach out to the hotels.com customer service directly to finalize the booking manually over the phone. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.